welcome to our science class. At the end of this module, you will be able to define sowing. What are the different tools used for sowing, adding manure and fertilizers, and crop rotation?
Hi dear students, welcome back to our science class. In the previous class, we were learned about crops. What are crops? Then two types of crops. We classify the crops into two according to the season in which they are growing. What are they? Kharif crops and rabi crops. Then we already learned that agricultural practices. What do you mean by agricultural practices? Agricultural practices are the activities that are undertaken by a farmer for the cultivation of a crops. And we discussed about the first step in agricultural practice, that is preparation of soil. Today we can discuss about the second step in agricultural practice, that is sowing. Okay. Sowing is one of the most important step in agricultural practice. Before sowing the seeds, farmers are selecting good quality seeds. Farmers are selecting good quality seeds. Then good quality seeds means the seeds will be healthy and clean. So, farmers select good quality seeds of good variety. This good variety seeds provide better yield for them.
Here you can see some wheat seeds. I want to separate the damaged seeds from this wheat. Okay, for this activity, I take a glass of water. Then we want to add this wheat into this water. What you observe here, you can see some seeds are float on water. Am I right? Then the seeds which are float on water, actually they are damaged one. And others, the seeds which are sink in the water, these are the good seeds. Okay, so we can separate this one and we will get good seeds. Okay, now I get the good seeds in the bottom of the glass and I can sow these seeds in my field. Okay, in this way farmers are separating the bad seeds from good seeds. Okay, is it fine? You can do this activity in your home too. Okay.
Now we can learn what are the tools that are used by a farmer for sowing the seeds. One is that traditional tool. Traditional tool, this tool is just like a funnel-like structure. You can see the funnel-like structure here. The farmers put the seeds in this funnel-like structure and these seeds will go or pass through the pipe-like structure, and at the end of this pipe-like structure it is sharp and they will pierce into the soil. Then these seeds will be deposited in the soil. Two or three pipe-like structures are attached to this funnel-like structure. In this way, farmers are sowing their seeds in their field. Okay, this method is the traditional tool. Nowadays, farmers are using seed drill for sowing the seeds. This seed drill is used with the help of a tractor. The use of this seed drill helps the farmers to sow the seeds in equal distances, and also it will ensure that all the seeds will cover with soil. So it will protect the seeds from the damage caused by birds. The use of seed drill will save the time and labor of farmer.
Now we can discuss about the next step in agricultural practice, that is adding manure and fertilizers.
So, substances that we added into the soil in the form of nutrients to supply the nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure or fertilizers. When actually soil provides these nutrients to the plants, but sometimes farmers continuously cultivate different crops in a same field. That means they didn't left the field empty. Then what happened? There will be deficiency of some nutrients. So the plants or crops cannot able to grow properly. In such situations, we are adding some manure or fertilizers into the field. These manures and fertilizers, they will provide nutrients for the plants. By using that nutrients, the plants will grow better, they will produce the product well. Okay. Then the manure and fertilizers are different. Manure is a organic substance. Manure is a organic substance. That means sometimes have you see that farmers are collecting some waste materials of plants and animals in open places. Then after few days what happened? These waste products will be decomposed with the help of microorganisms. They are called manure. Okay, they are organic. But what about fertilizers? Fertilizers are produced in factories. They are inorganic. Now we can learn about the differences between fertilizer and manure. Fertilizer. It is an inorganic salt. It is an inorganic salt. And manure is organic. The next one, fertilizer. It is prepared in factories, but we can make manure in our field. Manure can be prepared in the field. The next one is that fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. What do you mean by humus? Humus means the water holding capacity of the soil. So, the adding of the fertilizer, it will not increase the water holding capacity of the soil. That means it does not provide any humus to the soil. But what about manure? It provides lot of humus to the soil. Then fertilizers are rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. But what about manure? When compared to fertilizers, it is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. So these are the differences between fertilizers and manure. Even though fertilizers are rich in plant nutrients, the use of fertilizer is not good for our environment because the excess use of fertilizers will affect the nature of the soil. That means, for example, it will affect the water holding capacity of the soil. It will decrease the water holding capacity of the soil and kill some friendly microorganisms which are grown in the soil. But if we use manure instead of fertilizers, it is very good for our environment because it provides lot of humus to the soil. So the water holding capacity of the soil will increase and also it enhances the growth of some friendly microorganisms like bacteria, and also it will help for the growth of earthworms, etc. Then it will cause less pollution to our soil. Okay, so we can use manure or we can give more preference to manure than the fertilizers. Okay, another method for enriching our soil fertility is that crop rotation. In crop rotation, farmers are alternatively cultivating different crops. That means if in a field a farmer cultivates paddy first, after harvesting of the paddy. Harvest means after collecting the product from the paddy, then he will sow the seeds of pea plant in the or some leguminous plants in the. Then now the leguminous plants are growing in that field. Then after collecting the product from that leguminous plant, he will sow another crop in the. So different crops are cultivated in the same field in different seasons. Okay. This also helps to enrich the soil nutrients. This process is the crop rotation. And then if we cultivate these leguminous plants in our field, it helps to increase the nitrogen amount in the soil because in the roots of leguminous plants we can see the nodules.
These root nodules contain rhizobium bacterium. They will help to fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil. So it will help to enhance the soil fertility. Now, shall we do an activity in our textbook? It will show you the rate of growth difference in plants when we add fertilizer and manure. Take green gram seeds and germinate them. Select 3 equal size seedling out of these. Now take 3 empty glasses. Mark them A, B, C. To glass A, add little amount of soil mixed with a little of cow dung manure. In glass B, put the same amount of soil mixed with a little of urea. Take the same amount of soil in glass C without adding anything. Now pour the same amount of water in each glass and plant the seedling in them. Keep them in a safe place and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days, observe their growth. All of you must do this activity from your home and make your observation daily and send your observation after 10 days to me. Don't forget it. Now let's have a listen to this video.
Sowing. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. Activity. Separating good seeds from damaged one. Take a beaker and fill half of it with water. Put a handful of gram seeds and stir well. Wait for some time. You will see some of the seeds start floating on the water. Damaged seeds become hollow and float. Good seeds settle down. This is the good method for separating good, healthy seeds from the damaged one. Before sowing, let us study about the tool used for sowing seeds. Traditional tool. The tool used traditionally for sowing seed is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel and they are passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds there. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool sows the seeds uniformly at proper distances and depth. It ensures that the soil covers seeds after sowing. This prevents damage caused by birds. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. An appropriate distance between the seed is important to avoid overcrowding of plants. This allows plant to get sufficient sunlight, nutrients and water from soil. Adding manure and fertilizers. The substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal wastes. Fertilizers are chemical substances which are rich in particular nutrients. Fertilizers are produced in factories. Some are urea, ammonium, sulfate and superphosphate, NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Difference between fertilizers and manure. A fertilizer is an inorganic salt. Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste, and plant residues. A fertilizer is prepared in factories. Manure can be prepared in the fields. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Advantages of manure. An organic manure is considered better than fertilizers. This is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases become easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil.
Now, I hope all of you understand about sowing and adding manure and fertilizers. Thank you.